Hi everyone, welcome to another voiceover tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to add voiceover on your Instagram Reels. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful or want to see more videos like this one, let us know in the comments down below or leave a like. All right, let's jump right in. Adding voiceover to your Reels is actually quite easy and straightforward. Once you have your Reel recorded or uploaded if you're editing the video externally, you want to tap the next button like so. From here, you will get a preview of your Reel, and at the top of the screen, you will see the music icon, so go ahead and tap there. This will open up a tab where you can add music from Instagram's library, sound effects, volume control, and of course, voiceover. So we're going to tap the voiceover button. Now, there's a couple ways to do this. The first way would be to record the voiceover in one go or take. So to do that, you're going to hit the red record button and start your voiceover. Hi, thanks for watching Voice's video on how to add voiceover to your Instagram Reels. If you don't like that clip, you can simply just hit the back arrow with the X and that will discard the audio and you can start over again. The second way to record the voiceover is in parts. You can do this by dragging the slider to the section of the reel where you want the voiceover to go. So if you want the voiceover to be at the end, you can just drag the white line to the end and then hit record. Thanks for watching Voice's video on how to add voiceover to Instagram Reels. Now, the tricky part with this method is that you can't delete specific voiceover clips when you mess up, since you can only discard the latest recording. But if you simply want to re-record a voiceover or redo it, you can record on top of a previous audio clip and it will replace the audio with the most recent recording. So if we drag to the white line to the end here to line up with that, you'd hit record and say, "Thanks for watching Voice's video." Hit stop, and that will replace the audio that was previously recorded. You can play around with this to see what works best with you. If that's too complicated, you can always just start from a clean slate. And that's how you add voiceover to your Instagram Reels. Hope this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.